Okay, so today on the Chris and Todd project, we have to repair our rain drain gutters, which I've already started, which you can see here. We've got the pipe. I found the pipe, so I've pre-dug this hole already. Found the pipe that leads down to the street, which is where we had the problem, where the roots of this tree right here have ended up clogging the pipe, which takes a turn and goes this way. We found comes out here, and that has caused drainage problems because this has blocked the entire pipe, which leads up to the house, and so it floods the backyard because none of the water is escaping out of the drain pipes in the house. So today I've got to cut through the grass, cutting through up here, up to the hole, coming down to here, and then going to create a line that goes out here to hopefully solve the problem and reconnect the line right there. So we're going to get a ditch witch and some other things, but right now I've got to find some sprinkler hose lines, the sprinkler lines that run through the middle of the grass right there. So I've got to find, all the boxes are over there, so I've got to find the sprinkler line before I start ditch witching up here. So I've got a little bit of digging to do this morning and get this started, but the main part of finding the drain and cutting it open, finding the problem, which solved the problem, and we've already done some. You can see the dirt here, over here, and where I've already created a cut here for this line as well to let the water run here so we could stop the flooding that was going on in the backyard. So that's the project on hand for today. So I've got to get to it, get some tools and get this thing going. All right, I got to get to work. Okay, got my 3 different choices of shovels that I'm going to be using today, and it's Halloween, so you can hear the ghost in the background that's hanging up right on the side of the house with the eerie noise, which is kind of funny. Well, I'm digging to hear some eerie noises, but 3 different kinds of shovels I'm using to pull back the sod this morning so I can try and save as much of the grass as I can before I start trenching. So I'm going to get to that now. Having to dig around all the sprinkler lines right here so I don't break them is a bit of a problem, but I've got to go underneath them. So I'm working on getting that cleared out before I get the trencher going. Whew, early morning to be digging, but getting her done. All right, we decided to no trench and hand trench. So we're digging it all out. We found another pipe, luckily, right there. Didn't break that. So it's moving along quite good. Halfway done with our main trench.
And it's only 10:37.
Day 2 of this ditch project. Off to Home Depot to get an auger now to go through all the pipes, make sure everything's clean before we hook it up. So let's go to the depot. Okay, all masked up, headed into the rental department here at the Home Depot. There it is. Spent too much money and too much time here. There it is right there. The drain cleaner right there. We're gonna take this guy. Okay, we've got the drain cleaner hooked up with the right bit. Got it ready to go, plugged in. and now we'll get it to start working. Got the gloves here they supply, free gloves, not a bad deal. So we're gonna get this baby rolling. Day 3. Project getting close to being done. We've got connections made now, pipe going down, now the hard part down there at the base, but we've got pretty much everything covered down to here. Removing our safety lines. This right here, hardest part, digging underneath this sidewalk with a post hole digger. That was very tough getting that done. So today is refilling all the dirt and finishing this monster of a project. All right. We are going to get started now.
The magical goo. A little mud mixed in with it.
It glues together fast. One side this time.
Don't get your hand stuck to that on the pipe.
Yeah.
Maybe if you take your axe and like bam bam from here.
Well, I think that's good. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, we've got the pipe completely in, and we wrapped wire around the pipe. You can see wrapping around up there. Wrap the wire around. That way we can find it if it's with a metal detector. That way I can always come back and find it later. So it's always good to put the wrap the wire around it to find it later. But we're all connected all the way through, all the way out to the sidewalk, the curb, connected, and all the way up here, wire running all the way up underneath all my sprinkler lines right to there. So we are moments, 15 minutes away from a water test to make sure we're all good, and then it's putting all of that back in there. So I got to get some rock to go down there yet, but this will be all done today and completed project. So that's what we're going to do next. And I might need to run to Home Depot and get some crushed gravel to throw underneath the sidewalk to make sure it's compacted and got some good brace underneath there where I dug everything out. Other than that, it's just a lot of shoveling left to do. Okay, on to the next step. Test time. We've pulled the rain drain off the house to get a nice feed right into that. So we're going to put the hose into that right here, turn it on, and do a little spraying down in there. Now we'll run down and see if it comes out. I hear it.
Here it comes.
And success. We have water flowing. Which is good. We need to clean out that pipe. Up top. There we go. Look at that. That's a good sight. A really good sight. Still very dirty water coming out of there.
Getting clearer.
Yeah. So we have a successful test. Now we're going to fill in the dirt. So we're all good. All right, the project is done. We've got cleanup going on down there. Cleanup crew. We got the hole all filled in.
My favorite thing, that's the project done.
Project being done. Clean up her next favorite thing. Okay, just had a pretty good downpour. The drain is working perfectly. So this project is done. And till next time, we're out.